Alright guys, this time I'll be doing the video actually working on the car. Alright, but for today's video, I'm going to be installing the door handles on a 2012 Ford Fusion SE V6. 3.0 liter. I don't know if you need all those specs, but yeah. What you're going to be needing is Torx. I don't know what size. I'll let you know in a bit. Some sockets. You could use either a wrench or a screwdriver one. I'm going to be using a DeWalt with a little adapter, 1/4 inch adapter. You're going to be needing one little hook to pop out some little plastics. Flathead or an upholstery screwdriver, the one with the little two hooks like that, so you can pop your door panels. I don't have one. I'm gonna use this or either these little sets of carving sets. I used to use them as for when I used to do electronics. I don't know what the fuck you call them. This is my cheap version of getting it done. They didn't work. They were too thick for my electronics, or would scratch up the product. It wasn't good. I'm gonna be using my DeWalt set to get the Torx out and whatever else I need from here. But yeah. Let's go on and head over there for right now. I'm going to actually be needing the Torx. So, that's quite good. And actually, let me see. It might be this Torx right there. And then, let's just take these two sets right here. For now. Magnetic tray. I don't want to lose nothing. And this hook puller. I have everything in there actually. Hold up. Alright. Now, let's get right here. Put you on top of the car. Buddy, I'm gonna give you the rent in a little bit. I got the rent money. Gotta pay that before the 5th. I'm trying to get that late fee. Yeah. Scratching up my wrong flow. Pop the back door open. Let me fix you guys at least over here. Something. Other than that, it was at least. Oh, maybe the section where I'm gonna be working. I can't even see from up there. If I come in and set you guys up on. Hold up. Oh, sorry about that. Set you up on top of my effective chair. And adjust you to the area. Put a little zoom on it. Sorry about that. Alright. Now you're going to have a screw right here. And then another one down here. Supposedly there was only two, and then the one from here. As I looked up on the video, and I don't seem to feel any other screws. And then there's also one in here you have to remove. So there's, yeah, either 3 Torx and 1 socket. I'm not too sure. Let's find out. Let's see. It's gonna be a smaller size one. Let's try the T20. Yeah, seems to be a T20, but I'm gonna double check something else as well. Yeah, the 25 was too big. Yep, it's a T20. So the T20s. Oh, I put it on my tray. Okay, put it on reverse. Make sure she's nice and snug, and go slow. You don't want to overdo it because this motherfucker got some balls. Our affections are light low, and put it on 1. Alright, now there's one down here. Excuse the buttocks. I'm actually going to put it down there. Ahora el pedo va a ser pararme a la verga. Ay, carajo. Yeah, I'll give you a little bit. I thought I was gonna I think I'm making a video. Then with this, you're gonna want to pop that out, right? And that's gonna reveal your other torques. Set y'all down. Actually, I'm gonna set you down right here. So you can get a view from up there. Hopefully, you guys can see good. Well, now we have just the door one. Oh, that's messy. That's real messy. That's a small ass little thing. Well, it ain't a 1/4. It might be a 5/16. Nope. Maybe a 1/4. Let's see if it's in my two little DeWalt sockets that they provide. Nope. Not the bust out. Little thing I brought. Try 9:30 seconds. No, I've always got an eyeball and shit. Woo, like breathing over here. I like that quick insert. Alright, so now that that's in there, hopefully that's long enough for my throat. Nope. Oh, I took that shit with ease. Remove this. And then you're gonna want to remove all these clips.
What are you doing, Bobby?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Repairing the door handles on the car. So what you're gonna have is two different size Torx. I think that one was for the door right here, the small one, and these two were for the door, and then the bottom ones, and this one was for that shit. If that makes sense, but so I was gonna keep one of these in hand because you know, like it sticks. You can stick it to your car because it has a little rubber thing on it. Wonder shit. Just be gentle. Don't drag it across your car. You will scratch it. Now let's see how to pop these clips out. Oh, cool. You just press on this little lever down. Come out. Luckily, Ford gave us easy access to those. So the green was in the bottom. Oh, I can always go back in the video and check it out. The green was in the bottom, gray was on top, and then this one was up here. Okay. What you say, Mello? With your chubby cheeks? Now we're gonna take this little plastic off. Yeah, slide this door thing open. And you also have a thing on here, so don't yank it. Be gentle. Don't want to break this bottom plastic. And then you're gonna remove this clip as well. Thank you, Ford. Man, that was good. Those clips are so easy. Man, they're like my fucking old school Ford. We got to fucking pinch and do all kinds of shit and use some special little pinzas and shit. All right, so you're gonna want to save this. And then to remove the door panel, well, to remove that, well, actually you have to remove the door panel. So, see my flathead. This is the part I'm scared of. I don't even do that, dude. Hopefully I didn't break nothing. Although this little clips out. I do not. Oh, from here. Okay. Pop that back in. Nice. I could also buy a bag of those if any of them broke. Look at that mess. I gotta go in and clean that out. All right. I'm the mensch. That's what's the shit I used to say. But all right. You're gonna get your socket, and that one is not a 9/30 seconds. Keep your 9/30 seconds in your tray, so you'll know you won't. And then let's try this 5/16. Perfect. So 5/16 and a 9/30 seconds. It's what you'll be needing. And a 20 Torx. And a badass DeWalt. Ooh. You know how much they were trying to charge me at the place to do this? $45 to $40 each door. A quick YouTube video for that DIY. A couple bolts and a screw, some beddings. A fun job, you know what? I did it. And we're sick. All these broken pieces that were in there. Nice. Let me go get the new door handle real quick. That shit's so easy. I can't believe I was gonna pay $40 for that shit. You're gonna get your left side or which one? What screw was it? I think it's long enough. That's where it goes in. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Actually, no, it was one of these. There's the one right here. What is it? Might have been right there. No, this is a big hole. They should have put a bigger washer on there for that. But okay. So we're gonna remove the plastic protector. The little sticker they put on there. Look at that nice chrome. Oh, she got a little scratch. Okay. Then from here, you're gonna want to remove this thing right here. Pop it out. And then right here, you're gonna have a little thing so you can loop it out. Alright? You're gonna have this. It won't retract. And this is my old set. See where it broke. A little clip gave out. See, more chafita, but for $10. No, they look alike, homie. They look alike. So this one doesn't work anymore. Now, you're gonna want to put this here. Or actually, first, you're gonna want to loop that in there. Watch it. Loop that in there. Then, get your tornillo, driver. That on there, put it on the driver. Forward and center. Something right here. Wrong one. I believe that's the one that came out of there, huh? There's no other one that... Yeah. I didn't swap sockets. So far, all of a sudden it don't fit back in there. Better get your ass back in there, boy. Oh, hell. Now this neck part pop out. Pop it all the way in. Where did it fall? I like it hit the ground. Me, stupid non-magnetic shit. Put some boulders behind it. Okay. So, now that that's there, put your panel back on. I'm only going to show you one side because I'm pretty sure the video is already how long. As I like to take my sweet time. Yeah. Goodness. Let me go grab a quick towel to clean the bottom of that because some grease fell. Actually, there's an old piece of sock right here. My mom likes to cut up and use to clean all of our old socks. She's like, give me your old socks, I can clean the car up. All right. Just over there. Okay. Now, run your cord in here. Match up the holes. I'll check those right now. Okay. Now you want to get this thing. Close it out, get your connector. Install that in there. That's in there. That was a Torx that was there. I believe it was a small one. So, eject that. Grab my Torx piece right here. 20s. Make sure to have this on one. See that, right? Wasn't working at first. That shit. $40 my ass, son. Yeah, I mean, when you got the tools at home, and you spend that extra dollar to make your garage holler, shit. $40 being in your pocket for more tools. To be a better chingon, Holmes. A better badass. Find that hole and send her down. That'll be this one with the different size socket. I need to buy me a better little setup of this shit because I need a better setup. I don't like this hyper tough bullshit. Even though it's doing the job though, as you can see, but I would rather be a little more better and less struggle. Okay. Well, it's nice and tight, and then you put the little rubber cover on there. And that's your door. Well, you gotta put the other screws back on here. Now, the last two screws. The last two pieces of the puzzle. Then I gotta go do it to the other side. But you won't here to witness. You won't be here to witness it. All right. Now back to the ground. My big ass down. that? Woo! All right. Now, let me see if she'll open from the inside. Hold on, let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, cabrón. Who's the mensch? Who's the mensch? That's so madre. I thought a fucking quad head took off, but it was a screwdriver rolling on my hood. I was like, holy shit, that's a fucking loud ass quad. But alright, that's one side right there. I do need to clean that thing out. That's some cleaning shit to make it waxy and shit. Got spilled in. My mom left it in there, and then with the heat, it busted open. Started spilling out hell of the product, fucking expensive shit. And now I gotta clean it out. My God, leaves the shit all shiny though. You gotta clean it up and then buff it out. And then it makes it look like new. It's a good little product. I'll show it later in one of my videos. But yeah, guys, that's one side. I'm gonna be repeating the process over there and cleaning the crowd in the process because goddamn. But all right, thank you for watching. And another video of your boy Squints. You already know how we do out here, man. DIYers, boy. Go ahead and get it done at home. All right, man. I'll see you in the next one because I got another one to do. Laters. And cut. 12, the people's choice.